No, yeah, no.
Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a loom knot. So a loom knot is used to attach a new strand of thread if you're coming to the end of your thread on your needle. So what you're going to do is I've taken a length of thread from my Sashiko thread here. You're going to thread it into the needle like so. So you want the thread to be doubled up so it's nice and strong in your project. If you're a beginner and you find it easier, you can actually use a needle threader. So you're going to knot the end. So this is just a very simple knot that you would use in everyday life. So I have made a video about the two knots that you can use to start your Sashiko project, which I will link in the comments down below. Okay, so we've knotted off our thread and we're going to use this line here as a guide. So moving the fabric towards a needle. Okay, so we've made a few running stitches and we've come to the end of our thread. So you're going to leave a 2.5 centimetre end here. You're going to turn your project vertically. You're going to rethread your needle with some more thread, but this time don't knot the end, so you're going to leave the end as is. And then what you want to do is, taking the tail end, you want to come into the back of the existing thread. You're going to loop that around the tail end of your new thread here. Okay, so it's looped around here. You're going to pop that new thread on top of the existing tail end of this thread here. You're going to pop this thread through the loop that you've just created, like so. So that's the existing thread going through the loop, and this is the thread that you're adding to your project. You're going to hold both of those very tight and you are going to pull. Nice and tight. And that's what creates a loom knot. So you can now carry on with your project